Hello everyone, Today I will introduce to you the software for automatically posting to groups based on keywords. And this is the software from MKTika, which supports everyone in managing and nurturing multiple Facebook accounts, allowing you to use 10,000, 20,000 or even 50,000 accounts. And here I am demonstrating with 1,000 accounts. Each line here represents a Facebook account. And the reason why you need to use so many accounts. Because, for example, imagine that if one account is used to post too much in groups, it is very easy for the accounts to be locked and restricted. And therefore you should use multiple accounts. For example, one account posts to 10 groups. Post to 10 groups, you post some a day. If you use 10,000 accounts for instance, then in one day you can post 100,000 posts to groups. This way you can reach a lot of customers and your brand will go viral very quickly. And to not waste any more of your time, I will move on to the main feature, which is group posting. And here, the first step is for you to select the account categories. That's it. Choose the accounts to post from. And next, you add the content to the software. And here I have already added the content. Here I will select these 3 pieces of content. That's it. And here there will be 3 options. 1 is to post based on the groups you have joined. 2 is to post using an ID. For the ID, you can use a tool to scan multiple IDs. And next, you can post based on keywords. That's it. For keywords, you just need to enter your keyword here, and it will automatically search for groups and post. For example, here I enter the word digital marketing. That's it. And next, you click save. And here you will set how many groups each account posts to, how many posts each group can have, and the interval between 2 posts. You can configure it. And here there is an option to set whether it can join groups or not. Or after posting, it can automatically comment on the successful posts. And you can configure the content of the comments. Comments here can be comments with calls to action. For example, if interested, contact this Telegram, contact this WhatsApp. Customers will proactively contact you. Or people can even comment with their website links below. That's it. And here, there's an option to allow duplicate content or not. So you can check this box if you want. The next step is very simple. You just need to click start. Once you click start, the software will automatically log into these accounts and automatically post to groups and communities for you based on keywords. And if you find this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel to support me. And please contact me via Telegram for software support and installation assistance. Thank you everyone.